Oh hi! Welcome to another unboxing video, and today we have something special, and it has nothing to do with plants apart from the fact that I'm here and I love plants. So let's see what it is. Quite heavy. It's like you can do a workout with it, and maybe that's it. That is it. I'm not a very clean unboxer. I have no patience, but I'm trying. Be patient. So I think this weighs like 25 kgs. This thing weighs 25 kgs. So definitely not a plant. Sounds like metal. Because that's the kind of music we like. So this is something that you should have if you do home workouts. Wow, it looks good. Whatever little sneak peek I have. So basically, this is a dumbbell stand. So if you own dumbbells and you do home workouts, it's highly advised you have a dumbbell stand because that's how you get most of the injuries. I know I was always about to squish my fingers between my 12.5 kg dumbbells and 10 kg dumbbells, and that would be a bad video to see and make without a finger. I actually saw a person without a thumb today. Welcome back. I took a little break because this was quite an exercise to just unbox it, and now I also went to go get my IKEA tool set, which I think is very useful. It's got all the tools you may need in your home space and to kind of assemble things. And I'm gonna use this spanner, if that's what it's called, I don't know, but I think it's a spanner, and you can adjust it to different screw sizes, so that's pretty handy. And now I'm a handy woman, like a handy man. This was quite a task. It was almost like a pre-workout in itself. So I must have a pre-workout drink, which is my soy milk tea. 6 pairs of dumbbells. You can keep 6 pairs of dumbbells on this, and I will very soon demonstrate how we do that. So now we do the most interesting part, which is to place the dumbbells on the dumbbell rack. And I'll start with the heaviest one. One. And there goes here. I'm just gonna leave some space under this and put it here. This. Then I place the 5 kg ones. Oh, even these fit in very nicely. Lastly, these guys. Is there a way to place that somewhere? Not really, but it's okay. So that's how it's looking, and I do have 1 and 2 more slots, which is great because I have a 3, 5, 10 and a 12.5, and I do want to get a 7. So this comes here and I get a 7, and who needs 1? We don't need 1. I don't need 1 kg at all. I'm gonna find a spot for where I want to keep the dumbbell rack. Maybe in this room because this is where I work out, and maybe I'll do some workout videos in the future. So that's it for now, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, do like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in some other unboxing videos some other time. Bye!